And yes, this is happening like the title and the thumbnail states. I'm going to meet this man, Mr. Ravi Telugu Traveler. Of course, it's a working day, but I took 2 hours off. The meetup is set at Kabban Park. So let's head there. It's going to take me 30 minutes. I'm going by bike. So fatafat, because I have very limited time, go fatafat, finish it off and come back and work. Is that bird watching or something? Yeah. I'm staying in Bangalore for like almost 5 years and this is the very first time I'm going to Kabban Park. Okay, there are some good...
Wait, what?
Good man, this is a peaceful location actually. I see a group of people over there. I think that should be the meetup. So basically, I started asking this question.
Are you Kannadiga or Telugu?
No, Telugu. Nellore.
Telugu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళకి
Okay. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే సింపుల్ సా క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ డెస్టినేషన్ ఇన్ ఇండియా యూ మైట్ హావ్ ఆన్సర్డ్ ఇట్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ లైక్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ బట్ ఫర్ మీ అండ్ ఫర్ మై ఆడియన్స్
when you say favorite destination as in అంటే ఎక్కువగా వెళ్ళే డెస్టినేషన్ లేకపోతే
ఓవరాల్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ డెస్టినేషన్ దట్ యు హావ్ బీన్ ఇన్ ఇండియా అండ్ వై
సో ఇండియాలో ఒక అమేజింగ్ ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ ఏదైనా ఉంది అంటే నా ఉద్దేశంలో అది కైలాస టెంపుల్. ఓకే, కైలాస టెంపుల్ బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ అ రాక్ కట్ టెంపుల్. అంటే ఒక కొండ నుంచి మొత్తం కావ్ చేశారు. మహాబలిపురంలో ఉన్నాయి కదా టెంపుల్స్, ఆ విధంగా మొత్తం కొండ నుంచి ఇథియోపియాలోని లలిబేలా అని ఒకటి ఉంది, 12th century. అక్కడ బేసిక్గా 12 రాక్ కట్ చర్చెస్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఆ రాక్ కట్ చర్చెస్ చాలా ఫేమస్, కానీ ఇది 7th century BC. సో బిఫోర్ క్రైస్ట్ 700 years. సో దట్స్ వై మోస్ట్ అమేజింగ్ మాన్యుమెంట్. నాకు ఫేవరెట్ ప్లేస్ అంటే చాలా ఉన్నాయి బా. రాజస్థాన్ యూ కెన్ గో umpteen times, కేరళ సేమ్ థింగ్ అలా. బట్ అమేజింగ్ ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ అంటే కైలాస.
ఓకే, దట్స్ ఇట్. one of our hit list now. And the one which is away from India, I mean abroad. A lot are there, but
so
only one.
many, man. I mean, చాలా కష్టం చెప్పడం. అంటే ఎవరికైనా ఒకే ఒక ఛాన్స్ వస్తుంది డెఫినెట్గా ఒకే ప్లేస్ చూడడానికి బడ్జెట్ కన్స్ట్రెయింట్స్ వల్ల అంటే సంటోరిని ఐలాండ్ ఇన్ గ్రీస్. సో సంటోరిని ఐలాండ్ హెవెన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో మనకు తెలీదు. ఫీల్స్ లైక్
బ్లూ కప్ ఏరియా,
బ్లూ అంతా టెర్రరిస్ట్ ఫీలింగ్ అంతా. దాన్ని కల్డెరా అంటారు. ఫీరా అండ్ ఓయా 2 cities ఉంటాయి. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్.
ఓకే,
సంటోరిని.
థ్యాంక్స్ అ లాట్. No, okay, done. Leaving. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for taking time off and coming.
And
wishing you the best with your channel.
Inkoti, luxury travel or backpacking?
Mix.
No, your most favorite.
Backpack is amazing.
I didn't expect this. Yeah. Okay. Done. Finally done with the day. Kadu, like I just started my day. Yes, I finally took like 2 hours break for this. Yes, it is actually important. Done my work, I can say, because basically thing is that I might be a travel consultant. I might have learned, or I might own a master's degree in that. I might have done a lot of research. Doesn't matter, because this man, Ravi Telugu Traveler, he literally traveled to 186 countries. Can you believe that? 186 countries, dude. So yes, he have a lot of practical knowledge about traveling, what not. Oh God, I spoke with him a couple of times on Clubhouse. He has cleared my doubts and stuff. Finally, I met him here, cleared some more doubts. I have like a lot more, but no time. Basically, I'll have to go work now. I'll continue this vlog maybe tomorrow. No time now. I'll have to rush. 15 to 20 minutes to reach home. See you tomorrow. What is up, my dear people? I hope you all having a great wonderful day. Guys, this is a simple meetup which was actually great experience interacting with him directly. Yeah, fatafat. Even though it's weekend and kind of casual relaxing day, but no, I have a lot of works to do. This rest of the vlog is going to be yes, of course, there's a ride going to happen. It's year end, and also yes, today's Christmas. So Merry Christmas to all my viewers and subscribers. Belated. I recently did upgrade to my laptop. I've upgraded my RAM and then hard disk and all, and somehow sorted it out for editing only. And it was working, but suddenly after 2 days the battery is dead. It's a 5-year-old laptop. I never spent anything on that, so finally time for me to change the replace the battery. So now I'm going. Actually, I have a jugaad. Remember, my sister's laptop isn't working too. It's dead too. So I thought of checking with them whether the battery can be replaced. I mean, from this laptop to the other one. So let's check the jugaad and then we'll be back. And of course, I'm gonna share all the right details. So where I might be going. Most of the people know who year ends where you people like me definitely want to go. Yes, it's Christmas and I forgot that silly fact that it's a holiday and they're not working. Happens. And I think my ride gonna be a day delayed. Let's talk about it later. I mean, let's plan our itinerary later. But meanwhile, actually, I do remember yesterday I took 2 hours off and then went for that meetup thing. So I'll have to cover that deficit now. So 2 to 3 hours I'll have to log in and do my follow-ups, and I do have very good follow-ups to do. Rather than 2 hours, I've worked like I'll have to fix this thing there. That is most important. First time I'm opening this.
Years later.
Finally. Hello G, back to camera after 2 days. Finally, today's Monday. What am I doing Monday? It's vacation, dude. Yes, of course, even though my job is to put people on vacation, but still when it comes to that vacation week, I will be taking off. If you can observe, last Christmas to New Year I was at Goa, and even now the same plan because I don't get bored of Goa. So basically, yesterday Sunday I don't know, I just just chilled, relaxed. Yes, now I'll have to get this laptop to be given, and we'll see I can do that jugaad. I wanted to show you how I'm gonna book this stay. So basically, I prefer using Google Maps and not to book the property, but definitely I know identify the proper property at the proper location. I select my destination in the maps, and then I click on hotels option here, and then the nearby hotels will be popped up here. You can select the dates, if the availability is there. You can see the price tags here, and click on those. Into the name of the property, contact details, and all the OTT links here. You can click on any link, whichever is cheaper. TripAdvisor 935, make my trip, and this is the price you get. Yes, seems decent for a single person to spend $1,000, around $1,000 for one night stay. It's pretty decent. But I'm not going to book here directly. I definitely going to call the property because I do see their number here. I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna check with them directly. I want to book a room. Believe me, most of the times the price what you will be getting directly from the property is more better than what you find online. Try that. Might not be not so much money, but you save at least 10% of money you will be saving. I've been doing this a lot of times. Even though you have map options on all the OTTs, but still prefer Google Maps. You will find all the contact details. All on the OTTs, you won't be getting any contact numbers. I will be heading fatak se. I'll have to finish all my works, and then I'll have to edit this vlog before I go. I know few of them who might have met me there at the gathering are waiting for the vlog. This is my laptop battery. I took it off and replaced it with that laptop. Yes, these are the so done with the work. They did it in like 30 minutes. I just told them I'm in a little hurry and they made me wait there and finish the work. Fatafat. Now let's get back and finish all the works. So another work, setting up our motovlog setting. Previously I was vlogging, chotu vlogs I was doing on motovlogs. The ideal place for me to fix is here. So it's as simple as that. You have 2 belts which you will be putting from inside and then placing it here, and then There are two different straps. And this is how it's fixed. Little tricky if you are putting it flip up helmet. Flip up helmets usually have a button here for the flip to work. Make sure you didn't press the flip up button and then do it accordingly. That's it. Now let's do a trial. Is it recording? Yeah. That's why it's an ideal place. You know, you can check in the mirrors whether your GoPros are recording or not. Because GoPros, even though it's a big brand and you know they work, sometimes you don't know when they'll stop working. When you really think it's a very good important content to cover, the location is good, then make sure and double check whether your GoPro is working or not. So this is successfully fit. I'll be dropping the links in the description. I did unboxing yesterday, but not in the mood to vlog properly. So this is the product I ordered from Amazon. 1-day delivery. I got it for $500, $499. No, this is not required. What I'm going to do with this thing? Enjoy my day. So yeah, and I actually be needing a haircut, not like fully, but partially a little, because when I was motorvlogging this huge helmet and then he is the one who is disturbing unnecessarily. I gave him that now. Time has come. I think I'll be needing a haircut very badly, because while I was vlogging with this huge motorvlogging setup, I mean with the helmet and the GoPro, that weight, I really caught a very bad headache with that so much weight. And because of this bun, it's not comfortable at all. So I will be going for a haircut now, partially. So let's see. Kya re? Yeah. What is that? You wanna go for a haircut? And maybe because of the tag I used, I mean Ravi Telugu Traveler tag, a lot of newcomers to the channel. In case if you are new to this channel and seeing this video for the first time, do check out all my previous videos. I mean onwards, not regular poster, but I do try to post some good videos. So check it out. If you really like them, please do subscribe to the channel, and also this video, please do like it. We need some good reach, kind of a boost to my app.
Thank you.
Also, I'm a fan of Simba Babu also. I'm a pet owner.
Okay, అవునా?
So
ఏం డాగ్ ఉంది మీ దగ్గర?
కెరియర్ వెస్ట్ ఐలాండ్ కెరియర్ బ్లాగ్స్ లో కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. నేను రీసెంట్ గా యాక్చువల్లీ 1 year బ్యాక్
ఏంటి మీ ఛానల్ పేరు?
ఐఎమ్ ధరణి కృష్ణ.
చెప్పండి. ఇంగ్లీష్లోనా?
తెలుగులోనే చేసా 1 year, బట్ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ ఐఎమ్ మోర్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ టాకింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగులో. ఎందుకంటే
తెలుగు నుంచి ఇంగ్లీష్ కి స్విచ్ చేస్తే పర్వాలేదా?
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
వ్యూస్ వస్తాయి బానే?
నాట్ ఫర్ వ్యూస్, యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ బికాజ్ ఐ లైక్ ఇట్.
ఓకే, ఫెంటాస్టిక్.
ఎందుకంటే నేను ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుండే, లైక్ రోడ్ ట్రిప్స్ అవన్నీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో, లైక్ చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుంచి. నేను ఐ లైక్ ట్రావెలింగ్ అండ్ ట్రావెల్ కన్సల్టింగ్ అయినా జాబ్ కూడా, లగ్జరీ ట్రావెల్ కన్సల్టెంట్.
ఇదిగోండి లగ్జరీ
సో అందుకే
వాళ్ళకి మాల్దీవ్స్ ట్రిప్ కావాలంటే మరి హెల్ప్ చేయి.
యా డెఫినెట్లీ.